Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you want to speak English confidently but feel nervous or confused, this video is for you.
Yes, today we are going to talk about how you can improve your English speaking step by step using simple daily habits.
This is not a boring lesson. This is a real conversation that will help you understand English naturally.
So relax, listen carefully, and imagine you are part of this conversation.
Many people think English is difficult, but the truth is, it becomes easy with daily practice.
Yes, the biggest problem is fear, not grammar or vocabulary.
People are afraid of making mistakes when they speak English.
But mistakes are actually a sign that you are learning something new.
One simple way to improve speaking is to talk to yourself in English every day.
You can describe what you are doing while cooking, walking, or working.
This helps your brain think in English naturally.
Another important habit is listening to English daily.
You can listen to podcasts, videos, or conversations like this one.
Listening improves pronunciation and sentence structure.
Many learners try to memorize big words, but that is not necessary.
Simple words spoken confidently are more powerful.
Confidence comes from practice, not from perfection.
Speaking slowly is better than speaking incorrectly.
When you speak slowly, your mind stays calm.
Reading aloud is another great technique.
It helps your tongue and mouth get used to English sounds.
You should also record your voice and listen to it.
This helps you notice pronunciation mistakes.
Do not compare yourself with native speakers.
Compare yourself with who you were yesterday.
Learning English is a journey, not a race.
Daily small efforts give big results over time.
Watching English movies with subtitles is helpful.
First use subtitles, then try without them.
This improves listening and understanding speed.
Speaking English with friends is very effective.
Even short conversations help build confidence.
Do not worry about grammar in the beginning.
Focus on expressing your idea clearly.
Grammar improves naturally with usage.
Learning common daily phrases is very useful.
These phrases help you speak faster.
You should also think in English, not translate.
Translation slows down your speaking.
Practice makes thinking in English easier.
Mistakes should motivate you, not stop you.
Every fluent speaker was once a beginner.
English is a skill, not a talent.
Anyone can learn it with the right mindset.
Surround yourself with English as much as possible.
Change your phone language to English.
Follow English pages and content online.
Speak English daily, even for 5 minutes.
Consistency is more important than time.
Set small and realistic goals.
Celebrate your progress, even small wins.
Confidence grows when you see improvement.
Do not wait for perfect fluency to speak.
Speak now and improve along the way.
English connects people around the world.
It opens doors to new opportunities.
Speaking English helps in jobs and travel.
It also boosts self-confidence.
Practice every day without excuses.
Even busy people can find 5 minutes.
5 minutes daily is better than 1 hour weekly.
Make English part of your lifestyle.
Enjoy the learning process.
Learning becomes easy when you enjoy it.
Be patient with yourself.
Fluency comes step by step.
Speak with courage, not fear.
Your voice deserves to be heard.
English is just a language, not a monster.
Once fear goes away, learning becomes fun.
Believe in yourself and your ability.
You are capable of speaking English fluently.
Start today, not tomorrow.
Your English journey begins right now.
By practicing these simple habits, you will speak English more confidently and naturally every day.
You will stop fearing mistakes, improve your pronunciation, and express your thoughts clearly.
This method helps you build fluency without stress or pressure.
If you follow this daily, your English speaking skills will improve faster than you expect.
Thank you for watching, and remember, confidence comes from practice.
Like, share, and subscribe for more easy English conversation videos. See you in the next lesson.